Alrighty, my lovelies, welcome back, welcome back. This chair that you guys are looking at right now, it needs a makeover. I need a new chair in my salon where I'm gonna sit and do my clients' hair. I've been using this chair for a long time. I even cover it with that fabric that you're seeing. It's an old chair, but as of now, I don't know exactly what I want, but I want to make over this chair for now so I can use it until I find what I want. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna show you guys how I cover this chair with this beautiful emerald green velvet fabric. But before I go further to show you guys how I gave this chair a new look, let me start by saying hello my friends, hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dixie. Thank you so much for stopping by this week to watch this amazing video, and to all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys have been awesome, and if you're new to my channel and want to be part of my awesome YouTube family, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so when I post a new video you will be notified. And please help me share these videos with your family and friends so they too can enjoy my videos and also get inspired to do a quick and easy DIY like this video. All right, let me let you guys go ahead and watch this awesome video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed, the glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
So my lovelies, I'm almost to the end of finishing this chair, but before I show you how this chair turned out, let's remind ourselves how this chair looked like before. This, I don't know how to describe it, but this is what the chair looked like before, so this is what the chair looked like now. And who invited you to sit on it?
Can we get what? And those.
Well, as you can see, hubby approved. He said he needed to sit on it first before I can show it to you guys. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Well, he approved it. He said it is very comfortable, and it is really comfortable. I sat on it, and guys, this chair is so beautiful and comfortable. It's just beautiful. Look at that. I am in love with the emerald green and the gold color. As you all know, gold is part of my theme color in the office, and this tie in really well with all the decors and the colors in the office. I am in love with this chair. What do you all think? Leave a comment down below and let your girl know how she did this time. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch this amazing video. I really appreciate you all for your support. I hope to see you all on my next video, and I pray you all have a blessed week. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time.